Alright guys, this is a '08 Honda Accord 4-door, and I'm just showing you guys a little custom-made quarter intake that me and my friends came up with on Drive B. I don't know why, I just prefer that gear for some reason. I don't really drive on the highway, but let me show you once I get out of the neighborhood. Yeah, I mean, it's not like your typical quarter intake. It's just mostly for the sound. I mean, you don't really expect a 4-door Accord to have this kind of a sound to it. So it's really a head turner. I mean, it opens up the throttle for a little bit, but I mean, hey, I like it. It's a little fun. Yeah, the windows are open. Yeah, they'll really open her up when I get out the neighborhood. They're just kind of loud. Let's see. Take it right. Not so bad. And yeah, the windows are down. Sorry for the noise. Turn around real quick. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I'm kind of recording this on my Evo, so don't be too mad at me. See if I can turn around right here. Might have to throw it in reverse. Let's see. Thought so. I don't want this video to be too damn long.